Trust is very important to us, and we realize that trust is earned, and that's the biggest thing that we do, is try to earn the trust.
I'm Anton. I look after the front counter here at Bramer, and I'm looking forward to helping you with any of your automotive needs.
We're what I would consider, if we were a doctor, I'd consider us a GP and not a specialist. We do work with some specialists from time to time, like auto upholsterers, body shops, and differentials, but we do everything from an engine to a transmission, suspension, which includes shocks, ball joints, control arms, lateral links, sway bar links. We do a lot of friction, which friction is just another word for saying brakes. Front and rear, we've become actually specialists in brakes, as well as transmission flushes, oil changes, and of course the big one for us, which is tires. We have a competent staff here, right? Colin's a Red Seal mechanic. He's been with me for almost 5 years. Victor's just started up. He's an apprentice. Anton, as you met, is very capable on the phones. I have close to 40 years experience in the automotive industry, and we'll be hiring another Red Seal come the spring. So we pride ourselves on our employees, and we tend to hang on to them for quite some time. A mechanic has to be Red Seal in the shop, but it's good to have one, because they are the highest level that you can attain, which allows them everything from safeties to, we are a government shop that can do a Manitoba safety. You don't have to be a Red Seal mechanic for that either. You can make up for that with experience, but it's better if you're a Red Seal mechanic. And it's good to, and they can support an apprentice where a non-Red Seal mechanic can't, so our shop can take them. We're currently registering the Manitoba apprenticeship program. So there are certain advantages to having a Red Seal. It just means that they've taken the schooling as far as they can take it, and that's some comfort. It's like when you go to a doctor, you want him to have his medical degree. It's kind of the same thing. When I started at Bramer, I started a little bit of radio advertising, and the tagline was, "The coffee's on me." Okay, and the coffee, as you can see, is still on me. And what I've become, aside from an expert in automotive service, is a barista. So I just wanted to make mention of that.